visible. Okay. Yeah. Uh, so hey everyone. I will explain overview of framework and what is the BDD and the Cucumber and how our framework is organized and how to actual run a test, how to report how to generate the reports and all. Before that, I think Tina and Sai Teja, they are new to automation, I think so. So I will start from starting. Okay. Um, so first, what is the automation testing here? If you see difference between manual testing and automation. So manual testing, you open the browser yourself, you click buttons, fill forms, check results, take time. It's getting boring work. So that's where the automation, came into the picture. So the computer does all the clicking and checking and no mistakes. It won't do any mistakes. So actually, we can write code once and we can run 100 times. So let's say there is a 50 or 100 test cases are there. Every time you need to launch the browser and give credentials and go to inside and you need to verify something like that. You have 100 test cases. So every time if you need to do, it will be it will take more time. So to avoid such kind of things, so automation. If we write once the code, we can run multiple times, like 100 or any number of times we can run. So here, what is an automation framework? So here automation framework is a structured set of guidelines, coding standards, tools, and practice for building and maintaining automated test scripts. So there is a few framework. So first advantage is like code reusability, maintainability, and scalability, and reporting, and integration. So there are many frameworks in the market if you see. So I saw a few frameworks. So far it's been 7 years when I moved to automation. So linear framework is there, and the modular framework is there, and the data driven framework is there, and the keyword driven framework is there, and hybrid framework is there, and finally BDD framework. So this is how frameworks frameworks was implementing earlier. Now the updated framework we are following, BDD framework. Here, what is the BDD framework? If you say BDD framework stands for behavior driven development. So what it is like? So here Cucumber is a BDD tool that allows writing tests in plain English using Gherkin syntax. Okay, so why we are following this BDD framework? So it is kind of bridge between bridge between communication between QA, dev, and business teams, readable scenarios. Here, let's say, if someone don't know any if someone don't have any coding knowledge, right? If they come to our framework and if they are reading feature file, they will understand quickly. No need to have a Java or any programming language. So that's how that's where we selected BDD framework. Okay, so if you see here, let me share my screen. You can start, if you have some questions in between. So on the Playwright, that is automation tool. Earlier we are using Selenium, but now this is something modern, automation tool.